finally, we wrap up this beautiful 2009 Porsche. That's a 3.4 engine in this one. Comes with straight from the dealership. Customer bought it. A lot of problems. So we got the steering lines, both the pressure line and the return line on this one. Takes about 2.5 weeks, $1,500 for the lines with the freight charges. That's what the customer paid just for the lines. Labor is separate. So that's the lines. We already installed it, and you see the car is up on the ramps on the back. That's how you're gonna do a complete bleeding on the coolant system with any of the Porsches have the rear engine. So we leave it the way it is, and we put the new water pump, new thermostat in this one, and we make an engine wash to check it out where the active leaks are. Good news, there's a slow leak in that. We didn't find it because the customer didn't run it yet. So we was just driving every day in and out from the shop in the morning to check it out, but nothing comes yet. But there is one major leak, which is pretty common on more of the Caymans, or this year, like 2.7 engine or 3.4 engine, is the cap of the filter from the engine. So the cap pouring got, or sometime the cap got cracked. That's the case. This is the second Porsche with the same problem. Before we got 2007 came in, same problem. This is 2009. So we're going to change the cap of the filter, engine filter. If you guys do have the similar cars and you want any of the work done on your engine, transmission, IMS bearings, or the steering lines, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. Book your appointment before even you're going to call us. On to the next car. Alright guys, so just to let you know a weird problem in a manufacturing, especially if the Toyota is from US assembly plant. So I'll show you this piece of shit tape. That's a dollar store tape. It's not some mechanic put it. It comes with a manufacturing. So this harness got problem, and the customer got having a vibration coming on that side when they're locking up the car. They go to a dealership, they screwed up the harness, and the complete window stopped working. They try to touch the regulator from inside, end up breaking one of the panel on this side on the regulator. So now customer need a new harness. That's what the dealership says. New regulator plus the actuator, which was originally vibrating. And they call us, they book their appointment, they drop it here almost from 2 hours. We check it out, we fix the harness, no problem, working back to normal. We order a new regulator, it's on the way, and the actuator. If you guys do have the newer Toyotas, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. We have an inventory for all the actuator, door parts, internals. That's the best way to fix it. We fix the harness. We don't charge customer complete harness. That was close to $1,200. And the dealership, they quote customer $2,000 plus taxes just to fix the actuator vibration. So the customer, they gave up on the dealership. They bring it to us. You know, when your car comes to Mrik Auto, it's going to be fixed for sure. Any similar inquiries, book your appointment. We're happy to help you out. Right now, we got completely booked for a month. If you have your similar inquiries, you can just book your appointment to get service from Mrik Auto. On to the next car. So that's what a $2,500 jobs gives you. If somebody quote your N20 to complete rebuild in 2,500, it's only going to run for 2 or 3 days or for a week. That's what happened with this N20. That's beautiful 2014 328i N20 motor. You see everything on the floor right here, rip apart. So the customer don't know. The other shop, they put the one of the smaller piston. I don't know from what engine is that. So three pistons from this engine. Other piston have a lot of play inside. That was the exact reason, because the bearing got spun at the bottom because that piston is smaller. So we're going to, they don't even do any of the head resurfacing. They just use a soft cookie to clean it up. You can see the scratches over here as well as on the head. So we're going to completely redo this block shot, complete surface done. Plus we're going to do a complete head resurface with exactly those channels which I referred was damaged. We're going to fix it. We're going to put brand new pistons inside, brand new cam, brand new cranks, brand new eccentric shaft, brand new servo motor. That's what you're going to get from Mrik Auto if you want to do your N20. Any of the similar N20s, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Other than that, we are going to use a complete OEM kit from BMW. This is the aftermarket one, so you can see the things tear apart. Eventually, like this, literally engine got rebuilt 2 weeks ago. From 1 week, this car sat down in customer's place for rotting out. They somehow search us and they come to us, and we're going to make a complete rebuild on this one. So any of the similar jobs, dirty jobs, if somebody done your car and you want to make it fix, give us a call, book your appointment. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car.
Hello everybody, here we have this BMW 420i, and the thing that happened to this, the guy was driving a little too fast. There's a speed bump coming up, he hit it, and now the car, one side of the suspension is broken, so the car is like this now, but now we fixed it, now it's just straight as you can tell, and now we're gonna wait for the customer to come over. We paid, and then if you want this on your BMW 420i, book your appointment and call us at 647-708-1300. Thank you so much.